guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to basically arithmetic expression. This expression contains a fraction which has some basic operation, multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find the correct result. So we have here four answers. A is 64, B is 25, C is 104 divided by 3 and D is 24. So we have to see like which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. First recall like how we can solve the arithmetic expression. So as you know like we have multiple rules like we can say like BODMAS or PAMDAS. Basically these rules are same but are using different regions. So what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS? Basically BODMAS B for bracket. It means that if your expression any bracket or parenthesis in your expression, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see like any power, any number has the power in your expression, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go left to right and see like division and multiplication. Keep in mind both division and multiplication has same precedence. So you have to see like which is coming first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division part first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we have to see left to right, we have to go in our expression and find out addition is coming first or subtraction. So now let's move to the main quiz. So first we have to solve using the BODMAS and PAMDAS method. This is you can say method 1, which is basically step by step we will follow here. This is step 1. So in step 1, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS method, you have to see in your expression first the bracket or parenthesis. So as you can see, we do not have any parenthesis or bracket in our expression. Also, we do not have any number which has the power. So there is no exponent. So we have to skip these two steps. Now we have to see the division and multiplication. Just note that we have to solve the numerator and denominator separately, and after that we will divide this expression. So first we have to solve the numerator. So in numerator, as you can see, like we have 17 multiplied by 12. So here we will insert the division. This one, like now you can see 17 multiplied by 12. So we can say 17 multiplied by 12 equals to 204. So it 204 plus 12. And now in the denominator, we also solve this part 16 multiplied by 9. So here we will write 16 multiplied by 9. So 16 multiplied by 9 equals to 144. So we will write 144 minus, and here we also have the multiplication. So we can solve this as it is also 99 multiplied by 15, which is equals to 135. So here we will write 135, right? And so now we can give the reference here. So 17 multiplied by 12, 12 equals to 204, comma, we multiply 16 multiplied by 9 equals to 144. And also we can write like this way. 9 multiplied by 15, which is equals to 135. Okay. Now our expression only contains the addition and subtraction. Addition contains in the numerator and subtraction contains in the denominator. So now we will add these terms. So we will write like this way. Equals to and insert So 204 equals to 216, and here 144 minus 135 equals to 9, right? And now we will divide these two terms. Here we can give the reference. It's just simple, so we are not giving any reference here. So here we can say like 216 divided by 9, which is equals to 24. So this is the answer of this expression. This is the method 1, and we have here method 2, which is very simple. So now we will discuss the method 2. So we will write as it is this expression in the method 2. And now as you can see, like we have this part, one term, and here we have the plus and the 12. So we can take here the common, like we can write like this way, 12, and because we have to we took the common from the first term, so we can write 17 plus 1 here, and in the denominator we have the common is 9, so we can write like 9, 16 minus 15, right? So now numerator and denominator is becomes very simple. So now we can, what we can do here, we will basically 12, write 12 multiplied by 18, and in the denominator we have the 9 multiplied by 1, because 16 minus 15 is 1. So when we will solve this expression, so 12 multiplied by 18, 12 multiplied by 18 equals to 216. So we can write like this way, 216, and divided by 9 ones are 9. And when we will divide this term, so it becomes like it becomes 24. So this is very quick way to solve this expression. I hope you understand. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer in this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily and find the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah.